Hello everyone, welcome to Law Minds. So today in this video, I am going to discuss about the topic is online selling of sex toys illegal in India. Let me first tell you what a sex toy is. So basically, a sex toy it is an object or it is a device that is primarily used to facilitate or ease sexual pleasure. It is basically an artificial device or artificial object that is used for sexual pleasure. Let us first know, is there any provision related to sale of sex toys in India? So, if we talk about Indian law, there is no such explicit law which resists or which prevents the selling of online sex toys in India. But under the Indian Penal Code, which has been now changed to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, it talks about the ban on selling of obscene products and the punishment for which is described up to 2 years of imprisonment. But the point here to be noted is that there is no such clear definition of obscene products in the act. So it is up to the interpretation of the court, interpretation of the law to define that what an obscene product is. So there is no clear definition, no clear defining of the word obscene in the law. The other provision that is related to this is under the Indecent Representation of Women Act. This act explicitly bans any representation or portrayal of women that is likely to degrade or injure any public morale or which can harm the feelings of public. So this act is basically related to the women only, which can harm the feelings of society. Though the violation of this act can lead up to imprisonment of 5 years and fine, which can extend up to 1 lakh. So this act is basically limited to the women. To prevent this obscenity, there are various regulations on which the sale of sex toys, which a seller needs to keep in mind. So these are the points, like I have mentioned in the slides. These points need to be kept in the mind of a seller who is selling these products. So the first one is that the seller should take care that if these products are imported from somewhere, then proper custom regulations are taken care of. The custom duty, you might be known about the custom duties that are imposed on the products, imported products. So proper rules and regulations should be followed by the seller, and he should adhere to the rules and regulations which are related to the sale of these products. Also, the second one is that online platform should take care that they are verifying the track records and legality of their imports. They are keeping a record of the imported products, from where they are importing, what is who is the seller, who is the owner, and all that. Also, the description of product and image should not be obscene. This is the important point, that when they are representing, they are describing their product online, that the images and the description, it should not be obscene. The last one is that the terms and condition of online platform must explicitly state that it contains adult products and should not be used by child below the 18 years of age. So this thing they should display on their products. If we talk about the sale of these products, then at the time of COVID-19 pandemic, almost all the industries got affected and their sales declined. But there was a boom in this industry, and the sale of sex toys increased by 65%, which shows that there is a huge demand of these products, which shows that this industry is booming in today's world. So, as I have discussed earlier, that there is no clear definition of obscenity in Indian law, but the packaging of the product matters a lot. So, as we know that sentiments and feeling of people got hurt easily in India due to the culture and religious diversity. So, the packaging should not be such that it degrade the morale of the society or degrade the values of the society, and it should not basically hurt the sentiment of the people, because people in India get hurt so much with these things that they file cases they take legal actions regarding this. So the packing of the product should be that it is user friendly. So now I can conclude by saying that there is no explicit ban on online selling of sex toys in India, but the seller should adhere or he should stick to various rules and regulations, like I have discussed earlier also, like packing and all. He should adhere to the rules. Also, packaging or representation should be taken care of. It should be not it should not be such that it hurts the sentiment of the people. It should be friendly in nature. It should not contain any obscenity. Also, hence, sex toys can be sold, but with adhering to described rules and regulations. So it is legal to sell the sex toys online in India, but following rules and regulations as prescribed under the law has to be followed. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.